Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. What? You notice something different about me? What do you think it is? Look closely. Look into my eyes, darling, and tell me what you think. That's right, I'm wearing some blue contacts today. Now, this is of no fault to the company, but the prescription for me, I ordered exactly to my contacts, unaware that mine are more progressive. So the prescription on these is wrong due to me giving them the wrong prescription, but I still wanted to put them in. I can't see a darn thing right now. So I'm going to leave them in as long as they don't make me nauseous or trigger my vertigo to act up, because I can use this and I can see myself. So I've got my zoom lens because I think these are really fun and exciting, and if you order the right ones for yourself, I think that they will be really, really great for conversation. Absolutely. So these are contact lenses, and they have several different colors. And the company is called Iris. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this. I'm going to give you a good look-see at them to let you see that they did cover my brown eyes. And like I said, they have greens, they have violet, they have grays. They have several different colors of them. And if you're somebody who just has a contact lens and gives them the right prescription, you will be able to see perfectly fine. But for me, I have progressive lenses, so I need for near and far. And I did not give them the right one, but I did want you to see how great they look, and I'm going to take them off and come back and talk about them a little bit more. So hang with me. So I'm back. Like I said, that had nothing to do with the company. That was me unaware that I had the progressive lens. But anyway, this is a company called Iris Beauty, and they contacted me and asked me if I would like to try their contact lenses. And I thought, I have always been intrigued by contact lenses that change your eye color. I just think it's something that's fun. And anyway, this company did contact me, and I was like, oh yes. And she said, just send me your prescription. And I did. And of course, I forgot to mention that I am wearing, what do I wear? I wear the multifocal one-day lenses. Anyway, these are the Iris Beauty, and the color that they sent me was Iconic Blue. And they come in a little case like such. And the contact lens, let me show you. It comes two in a box. So I will be able to, but the contact lens is in there, and you get 2 per box, and I just think this is something fun. So if you have ever been interested in, contact lenses that change your eye color, you might want to give this company a go. And I'll link everything below for you so you can go over and look and see it, all the different colors. I mean, if you have blue eyes and you wanted to have like an amber color eye or a brown eye, they have them. So I think this is really exciting and fun. And I really think that during the holidays, you can really get away doing a lot more. So, and of course, you would have to tweak your makeup just a little bit for having blue eyes if you have brown eyes, and green, and so on. So that's just something that's really, really fun. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this lipstick, and I'm just using a Kaplan micellar water. Joelle sent this to me, and I'm going to just remove this, and this is a matte, and I find to remove a matte, you're best to go ahead and just pat it all over, and then give it a rub, because if not, you'll end up with really red lips. Okay, so I wore this in a different video. So now I want to show you another lipstick that was sent to me. And this company also, I've tried things from before. And when they wanted to know if I wanted to try, that lip set again, I said, well, I've already done that. I said, but I'd love to try one of your lipsticks. So they sent it along. And this is Dr. Kaplan. And they sent me a lipstick and a lip gloss. Now, I have been waiting on using the lipstick, and I'm going to apply it in this video. But I have to say, I absolutely love this lip gloss. And I think many of you would too. The texture of it, for those of you who use La Mer lip balm, the texture of it is like that. Now, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and then I'm going to remove it so I can do the lipstick. But I wanted you to see the gloss itself. They're not super shiny, which I do not really care for. And it has such a beautiful texture to it. And it also has a slight mint, which will give you that slight tingling. It's not a real aggressive tingle that you get out of this, but I just love the texture of this. And they taste good. Really, really, really love it. And the color they sent me, this lip is Ruby Sparkle. And like I said, this is Kaplan MD of Beverly Hills. They have that lip balm, and they have the little scrub that you do, and then you put their lip balm over. And I've used that years ago, but I have never tried any of the lip glosses or lipsticks. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've removed the gloss, so now I'm going to go ahead with the lipstick, and this is Perfect Pout Lipstick, Revitalizing Lip Treatment with an SPF of 30. Again, Kaplan MD, Beverly Hills, and the color they sent me is Hollywood. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. And the tube is really interesting because you're thinking, oh, I gotta pull the top off. No, you just twist it and everything just winds up. It's really, really unique. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and this again is called Hollywood. It's a balmy lipstick, which is really nice, and it has just a tint of color, which is also very nice. So it gives you almost that Your Lips but better. So that's the color. Now remember, this is without a lip liner, and it has that same minty taste, and it's really, I think it's really, really nice. I think they have a really nice feeling on the lips. They're balmy, but and not everybody likes a full-on lip. So this is really, really a nice option. I really, really like them. I think I will definitely be getting more of these. I love the taste of them. And like I said, there is that minty that in most lip balms or lip glosses that are meant to enhance the lips, some of them get really, really hot and almost too icy cold. This is just, you know, there's something there, but it's not extreme. So thank you very much to Kaplan, Dr. Kaplan MD, for sending these to me. I really, really have been enjoying the lip balm or lip gloss. I call it a balm because it's not wet and slippy. It's slippery like a lot of glosses. It's very, very nice texture. Both the lipstick and the gloss both have a very nice texture. And if you wanted, you could go ahead and just add the lip gloss right over. I mean, it really, really is nice. So there's no sparkle or, you know, it's not going crazy. They're not chunks of glitter and everything. Those things just never appeal to me. But anyway, really, 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 I have been enjoying it. Okay, so this was also sent from me, a woman. She makes these herself, and her store is on Amazon. I thought this would be really nice to get to share with all of you because a lot of people are always looking for vegan and gluten-free. And I know there are other stores you can go to and buy these type of things, but you know, this is a woman creating them, and I like to support the smaller companies. And so anyway, she sent me these, and it's really strange because she contacted me and she said, you know, I hadn't gotten them. I felt really bad. She contacted me and she said, did you get them? And you know, when do you think you might show them in a video? And I was like, I'm really embarrassed. I don't know where they are. I thought I misplaced them because I'm like, I didn't get these. I just didn't get them. So I went to my post office box again, and there was a different guy working, and he put them someplace else. And then when I went in, my normal guy, he goes, hey, you have a package that's been here for a couple weeks. So that's why they weren't in a video sooner. But if you're looking for good holiday gifts for people who really like stuff like this, it says Galaxy Bombs are the final frontier in bath bombs. This 9-piece set, 8 planets plus 1 sun, will take Earthlings to a galaxy far, far away from the gravity of daily life. And again, I mentioned they are vegan and cruelty-free. Now this is it's really cute. It really is. My nephew Jace absolutely loves when his mother puts a bath bomb in. He loves that. And I think there can also be a lesson taught here with these if you choose to give these to a younger person. And that is because it is a solar system, and it's really interesting. There's Uranus, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, the Sun, Saturn, Venus, Neptune, and Earth. Let's take a look at them. Let me get my zoom lens. Okay, so Earth is sandalwood and hibiscus. And I love sandalwood. It smells beautiful. Let's see what Neptune is. Neptune is cotton candy. And it really does smell like cotton candy. And then we have Venus. And Venus is rose and lemon. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah, these really have great smell to them. There is a lot of smell to them. Mercury is eucalyptus, ginger, and orange. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, you can really smell the eucalyptus and the ginger. I'm not picking up the orange, but I really smell the other two. Okay, and the Sun is lavender, vanilla, and chamomile, so very soothing. Now remember, bath bombs sometimes have a little bit of glitter around them. This is very, very subtle. So more of a relaxing balm. And then Saturn is a vanilla jasmine, and it has a multitude of colors. It's more yellow and maybe a taupey lavender. Very, very pretty. And then we have Mars, which is a red, of course. And it is blueberry, raspberry, and strawberry. So it's going to be a very fruity scent. And then we have Jupiter. And Jupiter is coconut milk and lime. Yes, these are really packed with scent. And then we have Uranus, which is green tea and cucumber. They all smell yummy. Really, really nice. So if you are in the market or looking for something to buy for someone who just really enjoys their bubble baths, or you know, someone who has a child that really loves this kind of stuff, or an adult that really is into bathing, you may want to take a look at her store on Amazon. It really, really is pretty. And I do like that there is a little bit of a lesson to be learned here. There's something that can be taught by buying this. Okay? So there you have it. Galaxy Bombs. Two other items that were sent to me, and I haven't started using this one yet, but I did want to mention it because I am very excited about trying it, because you know I do like some of the Ageless line. Of what I've used of it, I've liked it all. And they sent me their Ageless, and this is the Alive Prebiotic Balancing Mask. So I'm looking forward to doing this, and this will come in a mini spa. I'm really enjoying doing the mini spa videos. So this in one of those spas so that we can try it together, because I have not tried it. We can try it together and we can see the results together. It has a seal, so I'm not going to break it open. And they also sent me their Perfecting Balancing Moisturizer with this. Okay, so I will keep you updated, and like I said, if you enjoy the spa videos, keep a watch out and you'll be able to see how all of these products work in action. Okay, and then this company also sent me, and you know that I absolutely love this, but this is the Gold Trinity Nuface, and it's the complete skin toning collection, and it is the gold. So I'm going to be demonstrating the gold, and it also came with the gel primer in gold, which I did buy a while ago, and I really enjoy it. But I'm going to be including this in a mini spa to come. For those of you who asked, do you use the Nuface? Well, yes, I do. And now I'm going to be using the gold one. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Really, really, really loving these. Very, very comfortable to wear the Dr. Kaplan lip products. Very, very comfortable. And like I said, they are not your normal lipstick. They don't have they're not dense like a lot of lipsticks. They really do have a balmy feel to them, and they do have a slight tingle, but nothing. Now, if you're ultra sensitive, you might find this to be too much, but I don't, okay? So I do want to say thank you to all of the companies that have sent me things to share with my subscribers. And this one here really, I do feel this is great for gift giving. I absolutely do. So any discount codes that were offered to me from the companies will be right next next to the link. So you can just, you'll know the code. And if there's not one, it means there wasn't a code offered. Okay? Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.